Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really important for anyone into crypto. Now, if you're still keeping your crypto on exchanges, honestly, that's risky. So, in this video, I'm going to unbox the OneKey Classic 1's hardware wallet, and also, I actually have 2 extra units in this box for a giveaway. So make sure to like, comment, and share to participate. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share some important security tips most beginners miss. Alright, now it's time to unbox this. Wow guys, just look at this box, it looks really premium. I love this clean black design, very smooth and minimal. Also, on the sides, you can see these security seals. This ensures the box hasn't been opened before. That's actually a really nice security touch. Alright, let's open it up. Okay. First thing, we get the OneKey packaging frame, and wow, it's fully black, looks really clean. Inside, we also get a smaller box. Let's check what's inside this one. We've got some stickers. You can use these on your laptop or anywhere you like. There's also a QR code card. You can scan it to visit the official OneKey website. And here we have the instruction manual. This helps you step by step to set up the wallet. And here, very important, we have the recovery sheets. Trust me guys, this is one of the most important parts of your wallet. This is where you'll write your secret recovery words. This is basically the key to your crypto. If you lose this, you lose access. If someone else gets it, they can control your funds. And now, the main part, boom. This is the OneKey wallet. It looks super clean, very lightweight, and easy to carry in your pocket. Honestly, I really like this minimal design. And lastly, we also get a USB-C cable. You'll use this to connect the wallet to your phone or computer. Now let's remove the device from the packaging. Look at this packaging quality, really well protected. This shows they care about security and privacy. You can see here, we have 4 buttons for navigation and a USB-C port for connection. Alright, let's connect the cable and power it on. Once it turns on, you can control everything using these buttons. Just scroll and select, very simple. Now, if you don't have any wallet yet, you can create a new one directly from here. Click on Create New Wallet. Now it will ask you how many recovery words you want, 12, 18, or 24. For better security, I recommend choosing 24 words. Now this is very important. The wallet will generate your recovery words one by one. For example, the first word might be something like crunch. You need to write down every word carefully on the recovery sheet, in the correct order. Take your time, don't rush this part. After writing all the words, you'll need to confirm them step by step. This makes sure you wrote everything correctly. Then you'll create a PIN code, usually 4 to 9 digits. This PIN protects your device, even if someone gets your wallet. They still can't access it without this PIN. After that, there is an option to download the OneKey app using their official link. And also there is a help center if you need any support or help regarding the wallet. This is very helpful for beginners. And now we are inside the dashboard. It looks really good and organized. You can see different options like security settings, device settings, network settings, privacy options, Bluetooth options, and other advanced settings. Now turn on Bluetooth and connect it to your phone. Select Connect Hardware Wallet option. Then choose wallet type. I select OneKey Classic because this is my wallet. Now allow all permissions and connect Bluetooth. Then select your device name. This is your actual OneKey wallet device. After that, you need to approve the connection. This is done through the wallet screen itself. You need to enter the code and confirm it. Now the connection process continues in 3 steps. And lastly, before final installation, you need to approve everything using your PIN that you created earlier. Just enter the device and add your PIN. After that, the system will complete wallet creation. This process may take a few seconds. And after creating the wallet, here is the dashboard. You can now send tokens, receive tokens, and manage everything. You will see tools like device settings, network settings, privacy options, and more. You can also redeem features and sign in using email if needed. You can add more wallets anytime. And you can swap crypto easily inside the app. And the most interesting part is, you can even trade directly using your wallet. This means you are using your own secured hardware wallet instead of depending on exchanges. Wait, before you leave, quick reminder. I'm giving away 2 OneKey wallets in this video, and most people watching right now haven't even entered yet. So if you're serious about securing your crypto, don't miss this. All you have to do is super simple. Like this video, drop a comment, subscribe and share it. And yeah, I'll randomly pick winners from the comments. Also, if you want to check out more wallets or learn more, you can visit OneKey official site. They have different wallet options, and you can choose what fits your needs. And the best part, you can even trade and swap your crypto directly after connecting your wallet, while keeping everything secure. Alright, now I'll see you in the next video. Don't miss the giveaway.